Here we have that image and the layer. We will make the further 3D layers on the similar images. So there we have the styles. It's a 3D, make 3D, get a cube there. So there we have that layer. I will move it there on this side. There it is. We can move it in this way. We can move that so you can see